it's a cola quake! Following by a cola shower. Want some chips? Cut chip shapes out of a thin flatbread. Thread the chips onto a string. Dry them out in an oven. Spray them with oil and sprinkle them with paprika. Put them into a Pringles container. Are these magic chips or something? What a confusing snack! I'm here for you! Don't cry! Put the tip of a pastry syringe into a tube of wasabi and squeeze the wasabi onto a cupcake instead of icing. Decorate it with wasabi-coated peanuts and pickled ginger. What a delicious cupcake! Tell me about it! It's bringing a tear to my eye! Cool off and perk up. Put gummy candies shaped like teeth and brains into ice molds. Pour in some water with food coloring and freeze the molds. Are there teeth in my cup? Yes, teeth! You're not wrong! Do you like being in control of the kitchen? Try my prank. Cut a cucumber. Scoop out the middle. Pour sprinkles inside. Put toothpicks in and put the cut side back on. A cucumber with a surprise? It's a gift of nature! Hey, do I have anything on my face? I don't think so. Nothing at all. You're as beautiful as ever. Oh gosh! Was I walking around with Santa's facial hair all day long? Thanks a lot, friend. What's for breakfast? A fried egg? Oh! This chicken must have loved to party. Carefully pierce both sides of an egg using a push pin. Put a straw inside and blow out the contents of the egg. Fill a syringe with a sparkly slime and pour it into the empty eggshell. Hot glue the opening shut. Paint the glue white. Fill some eggshells with jelly, acrylic paint, and glitter. Put all the eggs into a carton. I'll make a dough. A pink one? Not my favorite. What's in here? Egg slime? Ah! Jelly! I'm kinda hungry. I'll make a chocolate sandwich. Melt dark chocolate and pour it into a chocolate bar mold. Before the chocolate cools, put ham, cheese, pieces of sausage, peppercorns, and breadcrumbs on top. Once the chocolate has cooled, wrap it in paper. Tie it with some twine. Are you eating chocolate with bread? Take a look at the filling. It's so meaty. It's a new flavor of Pepsi. Finally! How unexpected! Turn a can of Pepsi upside down. Poke holes with an awl. Pour the drink out of the can. Fill a syringe with soy sauce and pour it into the Pepsi can. Hot glue the opening. Let me try. Holy sushi! This is awful! Are you making Italian food? You'll like this spaghetti brush. Remove the bristles from an old brush. Disinfect it. Mix even amounts of flour and salt. Pour in some water. Mix thick dough and put it into the brush. Put raw spaghetti into the dough like brush bristles. Using this brush is simple. Just dip it into boiling water and enjoy your lunch. Ah! Hot, hot, hot! Oops! Pour gelatin into a pot and cover it with water. Wait for the gelatin to soak. Then add boiling water. Mix it until the gelatin fully dissolves. Put in some meatballs and pasta. Add green peas and sliced carrots. And a soup ladle. Refrigerate the pot until the jelly hardens. Put another layer of ingredients on top and pour dissolved gelatin over them. Refrigerate it again. The jelly soup is done. The soup escaped from the pot. It was too cramped in there. Yummy! Sunny side up. Oh no! Melt butter on a frying pan. Fry an egg white. Cut a round opening in the middle and fill it with Nutella. Cover it with an egg yolk and fry the egg together. Relax, you're so paranoid. It's just Nutella. What did you think it was? Come on, have some noodles. They smell so good. No thanks, I'm on a diet. Just one bite? Fine, okay. Ew! There's a bug-eyed monster in here. Morning coffee with shaving cream on top? You'll wake up in a second. Remove the decorative pieces from an old broken alarm clock. Glue them onto a cup. Make it look like an alarm clock. Color the pieces with acrylic paint. Pour coffee into the cup with foam on top. Cover the cup with a clock-shaped stencil and sprinkle it with cocoa powder. What time is it? Time for coffee! Aw, how sweet! Good morning! What should I eat? Oh, hello, burger! How's it going? Cover a burger bun with cream cheese and herbs. Put in some lettuce and cheese. Cut some Ritter Sport chocolate with a hot knife to be the shape of a burger patty. Put the chocolate into the burger and cover it with cheese. Add some pickles and a sliced tomato. Cover it with the top of the burger bun. Can't wait to eat this cheeseburger. Oh, what is this? Chocolate? Burger, how could you? You betrayed me. Goodbye forever. There's a surprise for you in the bathroom. Process some cookies in a blender. Add cocoa powder. Pour in condensed milk and cream. Pour in some nuts. Mix them in. Cool the mix for 10 minutes in a freezer. Sprinkle cookie crumbs onto a foil container. Make kitty waste out of the chocolate dough and put them into the little foil litter box. Sprinkle a little more cookie crumbs on top. I think someone's coming. Delicious! Finely chop 5 ounces. Whip. Honey, are you feeling okay? This is an innovation of molecular gastronomy. It only has 0-calorie ingredients. Try it. It's delicious. Did you like our food pranks? Let us know in the comments about how you'll prank your friends over lunch. And you guys, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click on the bell. Don't miss hilarious new pranks from Woohoo!